Welcome to the Daily Business and Finance Show. Mark Zuckerberg seeks to transform from adversary to ally in shaping Trump's tech policies, while U.S. senators and agencies convene secretly over China's Salt Typhoon hack. Google's AI-driven weather forecasts are revolutionizing the field, and Roku's undervalued data assets spark takeover speculation for 2025. Microsoft announces the 83-cent dividend as Chipotle's strategic price hike is analyzed as a move of strength. Meanwhile, Chinese industry groups raise alarms about the safety of U.S. chips. Hershey sees positive movement amid takeover rumors, and SentinelOne faces challenges despite optimistic Q3 guidance updates. Stay tuned after this short ad break to dive deeper into these stories. Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg plans to engage in tech policy discussions with the new U.S. administration, indicating improved relations with President-elect Donald Trump. Despite previous tensions over social media censorship, Trump recently invited Zuckerberg to Mar-a-Lago. Meta admits to over-moderating COVID-19 content due to pressure from Biden's administration.
U.S. senators will have a closed-door briefing on Wednesday about the Salt Typhoon hack by China, which targets American telecoms and involves agencies like the Federal Bureau of Investigation and National Security Council. A Senate Commerce Subcommittee will hold a hearing on December 11th regarding this cybersecurity threat.
Google has introduced GenCast, an AI-powered weather forecast model. It provides 15-day forecasts with improved speed and accuracy compared to traditional systems, even outperforming the European Center for Medium-Range Weather Forecasts in precision.
Roku shares increased by 10% following a suggestion from Needham analysts that it could be a buyout target for merging with a rival or larger company. Potential buyers might include other streaming services.
Microsoft has announced a quarterly dividend of 83 cents per share, unchanged for 2 quarters. The forward yield is 0.77%. Payments will be made on March 13th to shareholders recorded by February 20th, with the ex-dividend date also on February 20th.
Chipotle Mexican Grill has raised menu prices by 2% to address rising ingredient costs, marking the first increase in a year. This action pushed shares to a 5-month high. Despite increased avocado prices, Truist analyst Jake Bartlett raised Chipotle's price target and earnings estimates while maintaining a buy rating.
It appears the article content is missing. Could you provide the text or main points you'd like summarized?
Hershey's stock increased by 2% on Wednesday due to takeover speculation, even after an earlier decline of 1.2%. Traders mentioned a Betaville alert indicating interest, but the potential buyer is still unidentified. Hershey has previously received bids, such as a $23 billion offer from Mondelez in 2016 and past rejections from Wrigley and Nestle Cadbury.
SentinelOne shares fell by 10%, even though the cybersecurity company raised its fiscal 2025 revenue forecast to $818 million. This decline comes after third-quarter results that met expectations. Thanks for tuning into the Daily Business and Finance Show. Stay informed, stay ahead. Join us next time for more insights that matter to your success. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Until tomorrow, stay safe and farewell for now. This content is sourced from the Seeking Alpha website, so support our podcast by becoming a Seeking Alpha Premium subscriber. See the show notes page for links to sign up. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. This podcast provides information only and should not be construed as financial or business advice. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.